All right, so I just went over here. I clicked on the published URL, and the page got published. It takes a couple of minutes, okay, maybe less than 1 minute. And whatever changes we have done to the page, it gets live right over here. So as you can see, this is the page which is now live on the internet, right? And like whenever you are satisfied, whenever you are happy with your page, you can do the publish, and the page is going to be live right over here, and with all the settings that we had implemented, right? So if I will go above, we added a product over here, right? So this is a checkout page. Now see, whatever checkout page we have added over here is not active, like this was a demo product. So but again, you can create a product and you can connect the checkout page, and that checkout page is gonna come over here, right? So if you will see, it is gonna take to the checkout page as well. And that is one more thing. Second thing is that the page is live in a demo. So I told you that the page goes to the project, right? So inside the project, if you will see, this is the page that is added, page published demo. And let's suppose you want to do any changes. For example, let's say you want page settings to be changed. You want the URL to change. Let's say, you want it to be Astro demo. So you want to change the URL of the page. You can do that. Like now this page is into your Fleximon's account, and just like in a normal Fleximon's account, you have been able to do the settings and all the other good stuff, right? So you can do that. All the reports and everything is going to be visible right over here, like everything. Now it just works, right? Just like you want it to be. So the analytics will show in the reporting section, like everything is going to work just like it should be working, right?